In this video, we're going to talk about the secret to making intermittent fasting easy. If you want to lose weight and you want to improve your health and you tried intermittent fasting, but you just couldn't stick with it, you found it really hard, I'm going to give you an amazing tip in this video that's going to make it so much easier for you to follow. Hello everyone, my name is 𝙒𝘾𝙃. And I've been a fitness trainer and gym owner for over 25 years. And if this is your first time here and you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, hit that subscribe button along with the bell indicator so you never miss a video. Okay, let's get right there. Let's talk about how can we make intermittent fasting easier. I know some people think it's really hard and you may have tried it before but have trouble, but I'm going to give you this amazing tip. This amazing secret in this video is going to make the whole thing so simple. Okay, first thing you have to do is you have to pick a protocol to follow. Okay, let's say you decide to go with 16-8, which is really popular. All that means is that you're fasting for 16 hours and then you're taking in all your calories within an 8-hour eating window. For example, let's say you're skipping breakfast, you're going to have your first meal at 12 in the afternoon, and then you're going to stop eating by 8 in the evening. Okay. Now, for example, when I have a new client that comes to me, comes to my gym and wants to lose weight and wants to try the intermittent fasting protocol, okay, we first write down how often they're going to do it. Okay. Generally, people are really excited when they first start. They want to lose weight. They want to improve their health. And they say, okay, I'm going to do this intermittent fasting 16-8, 4 days a week. Okay. That's what they tell me. They're going to do it Monday, Tuesday, and they're going to do it Thursday, Friday. Okay, now this is the secret. Now, before they leave, before they leave the gym, I really ask them a serious question. Okay, are you 95 to 100% sure you're going to follow that protocol? Are you telling me, are you guaranteeing to me that you're going to do this 16-8, 4 days a week? And I have to say like 80-90% of the time, the people say no. I say, Mike, I don't know. I think maybe there's a 50-60% chance I'm going to do it. And I say, it's not good enough. That's the recipe for failure. Whatever you decide, like for example, you're starting a new exercise program, you're starting a new diet protocol, you have to be like positive, 95 to 100% sure you're going to stick to it. So then I tell them, okay, let's take it back a little bit. Why don't you just try intermittent fasting 1 day a week? Okay, let's say, why don't you just do it on Monday and tell me, can you guarantee to me 95 to 100% that you're going to do this intermittent fasting on Monday? And most people say, yes, I can do 1 day a week. That's the secret right there. Don't overdo it. Okay, start with like 1 day a week. Do it for 2, 3, 4 weeks. If you can put together a month of 16-8, fasting for 16 hours, taking in all your calories within an 8-hour eating window, just 1 day a week for a whole month, then you can jump to say 3, 4 days a week. As long as you're 95 to 100% sure you're going to stick to it. That's the secret. You have to be positive you're going to do it, and then you're going to have so much success. Also, when it comes to the type of protocol, there are so many different types of intermittent fasting protocols. I'm going to link above that video I did with 6 different types. Like if you know in your mind you can't fast for 16 hours, if you're not 90% sure you can do it, don't pick that protocol. There are other ones. Another one, for example, where you can just delay breakfast 90 minutes, eat dinner 90 minutes sooner. There's multiple protocols. Check out that video. Go through them. So first, pick a protocol that you're 95% sure you can follow, and then start off really easy. Start with once, twice a week. As long as you're like 100% positive you can do it, start with 1, 2 times a week. Don't do 5, 6 days a week. It's going to be so hard. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's the secret. If you did like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And remember, if you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, hit that subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week. And also leave a comment. If you tried intermittent fasting in the past and like you had trouble with it, leave a comment. I'll try to help you out any way I can. Also, if you had good success with intermittent fasting, leave a comment as well too. Okay, take care everyone. Have a wonderful day.